Well, hell, I think it's recording. These GoPros, they always, I don't know, I'm not used to them, and they keep stopping at 50 seconds or whatnot. But anywho, it's attached to a juice box, and right now it says it's got 10 hours, 18 minutes to record at a 180. I think when it's fully charged, it's around 13 hours. Anyways, the box we're looking at is none other than straight out of ChinaRiders.net, the Xpro Paladin 300cc EFI water-cooled 6-speed enduro, which is comes with an MCO and that waiting in the mail for that to be delivered so I can get it registered and put it on the street, but it's mostly for off-roading. But yeah, the packaging came in, looks pretty good. Got it today. They just dropped it off in the front door from I think it's GoPower Max, and they sent me an email today that said something to the words or to the liking of basically they're just going to drop it off, no signature required. So I saw it on my Ring doorbell, and as soon as I saw it, I had told my job, hey, I'm coming home sometime today, got a package being delivered, just really don't want to leave it out there. So I had to push it off a pallet and getting ready to open it up. But yeah, the packaging was good on it. Oh, by the way, over here is my last toy that I got is a Hurricane 200X Trailmaster. Rode it in the GPS 180, which is sponsored by GoPower Sports. That was a lot of fun. It's a 3-hour endurance race. As fat as I am, I literally got a mile and gave up. This I don't know what happened that day. I should have just kept going. I was all by myself, and I was doing the Juggernaut, which is I don't really have a team, so I think I'll blame it on that. I just kind of gave up on riding after one lap. But you know, that one lap I think was 6 to 8 miles or something. It's pretty brutal on a mini bike, even though this is full suspension. The plan with this one is to throw a Wildcat 240 in there, which is 15 horsepower out of the box, and then maybe go after the suspension a little bit. But back to the Paladin. I'm getting ready to open that up. This is my other project. I got a DF Goblin. Comes out of just south of Dallas, Fort Worth, Red Oak, Texas. I had a couple broken exhaust studs. Welded those out last night. It's a 2.2 Ecotech, weighs 1,500 pounds. Got a turbo sitting over there on that table somewhere with a bunch of intercooler stuff, and I'm gonna have it tuned, and it should be ready hopefully I'm hoping by February. I kind of like the end of the cold weather. I can just ride it around. I rode it this summer for the first time, getting it finished, and it was a blast. But being NA, I'm throwing a cheap eBay turbo system on it because I couldn't get anything out of ZZP. They stopped making them for the 2.2s. I think mainly because the rods are cast, they're kind of weak, and I just don't think there's a whole lot of support for it. And I don't know what happened with that, but they were throwing twin scroll turbos on there, and they just stopped selling them. I don't know. They blame it on parts. They're not being able to get parts, but that's it for this little video. Next video we'll have out of the box, and we'll see what it looks like. All right, all right. Later, guys. Bye.